In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GoDaddy account. To get started, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Make sure you're on the official site so you can create your account securely and avoid any confusion with lookalike pages. Once the home page loads, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen, where you'll usually find the sign-in options. From there, click on Sign In and then choose Create Account. This will take you to the account setup page, where GoDaddy gives you a few different ways to register. You may see options to continue with an existing account from another platform, such as Google, or you can create an account by entering your email address manually. In this example, we'll use the Google option. If you choose to connect with Google, click the Google Sign-In option and then select the Google account you want to use. If you're not already signed in, you'll be asked to enter your email address and continue through the prompts shown on your screen. Just follow each step carefully. Depending on your setup, you may need to confirm access or approve the connection before moving on. After that, GoDaddy may ask you to complete a few additional account details. This can include creating a password or confirming basic account information. Be sure to choose a strong password if you're asked to make one, something secure and easy for you to remember. Once everything is filled in, click Create Account to continue. Next, GoDaddy may send a verification code to confirm your identity. When that happens, check the place where the code was sent. Enter the code into the verification field on the screen and submit it. This step is important because it helps activate your account and confirms that your information is valid. Once the code is accepted, your GoDaddy account will be created successfully. At that point, you'll be able to sign in and start using your account for services like domains, hosting, and other website tools available on the platform. As a quick tip, after creating your account, it's a good idea to save your login details somewhere secure so you can access your account easily later. And that's it. You've now created your GoDaddy account from start to finish.